Sometimes when you allow users to fill in a list in Excel, you soon discover the variety of ways that they can enter information, which is not always valid. So what we can do is we can apply data validation to make sure that the data they enter into a list is valid. For example, I'd like to control what regions the user can enter in column C. So I'm going to click in the cell C2 and I'm going to press the Control Shift down arrow twice. This highlights from C2 to C1,048,576, and all of these cells I want to contain a drop-down list of regions. So from the ribbon I select Data, and in the Data Tools group I click Data Validation. This little box pops up and I change any value to List, so they can't enter any value in those cells, they have to choose from a list. Now the source of that list, I'll click in this box, can be found in the sheet Lookups that we made earlier. I'll click on Lookups and I'll highlight B2 to B12. And this is the list of regions I want them to choose. To make sure that they do choose a valid region, I'm going to select Error Alert. And I'm going to accept the style Stop. If they try to choose a region that's not in the list, I want this to be the title, Invalid Region. And then an error message to tell them what they've done wrong. The region you have entered is not in the list. Please delete and select a valid region from the list and click OK. If the user now clicks in any cell in the range C2 to C1 million, they will have to choose from a list. If they try to enter something that's not in the list, such as Raglan, and press Enter, the error, Invalid Region, and the error message that I typed comes up. So they'll have to retry and enter a valid region.